Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you guys can already tell, this is a Nicki Minaj Chun inspired video, and one of the scenes she's wearing like a black leotard with like gold detailing and a lot of chunky gold jewelry, and she has chopsticks in her hair. I just added the glasses and made a darker lip, but you know, I'm giving you Chun vibes, you dig? Okay, so in this video I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, my little makeup routine and just the accessories. It's just a quick little cute video I decided to make, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Okay you guys, so I'm gonna get started, and I'm gonna start by applying my face. So I'm just gonna do foundation, concealer, contour, and a little bit of color correct. I'm just gonna speed this process up with some music. Okay, so I use Black Radiance BB cream in the color Honey Amber all over my face with a Wet n Wild brush. Then I went in with any orange color to correct around my mouth with shadows, and I just did that with my finger. And now I'm just blending in really fast. So now I'm gonna go in with LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn underneath my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. So now that I have my face on, the next thing to do is eyeshadow. So in the video, she just had like a neutral, basic brown, a little bit of gold with her thick eyeliner and lashes. So I'm just going to start with priming my eyes with some primer, and I'm going in with this orange eyeshadow in my crease as a transition color. So now I'm going in with Juvia's Place in the color Fulani and Adia in my crease right on top of that orange. Now I'm going back in with some concealer on top of my lid before I apply my glitter gold eyeshadow. Okay you guys, so right now I have my eyeshadow on. I'm baking right now. I'm still baking. I'm about to dust it off because I'm done with my eyeshadow, and I have my face on, and I have like my little nose highlight and everything like that. So next is gonna be my contour, my eyeliner, and my eyelashes. Then line my lips, put some lip gloss on, and I'm about to be done with the look. Alright you guys, now I'm just gonna line my eyes with eyeliner as such. Okay, now we're gonna dust off all the powder from when we were baking. Okay, so now we're just gonna fill in my brows and conceal them with the remaining of my MAC foundation. Now we're just gonna line your lips. So I lined mine with both pink and brown. Now I'm adding my favorite Milani matte cream in the color Precious, also number 11. And I went on top with NYX, and now I opted to do mascara instead of lashes. And I'm contouring, and the moment you've been waiting for, highlight! This is my highlighter in Urban Decay Lit. Okay YouTube, so this is the final look, and now I'm just going to show you guys how I accessorize this look to really make it over the edge.
They need rappers like me, so they can get on their fucking keyboards and make me the bad guy, Chun. Hey yo, I've been on, bitch you been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on, he keep on darling Nicki like the prince on. Just King Kong, yes it's King Kong, bitch is King Kong, this is King Kong, Chinese ink on, many championships, classics rings on.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the content I'm providing. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, okay? And to all my Nicki fans, stay barbalicious. And not barbalicious, but barbalicious. Okay? Okay. Alright. Bye you guys. Nicki Minaj. I'm Nicki Minaj, Nicki Lewinsky, Nicki the boss, Nicki the Harajuku Barbie, like, okay? So, no more talking. Let's get right to the video. Ew.
Lately been on that fucking nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch and then I pass her to the click. I say, see me, I don't got no time for no bitch. I just get them for the bros, I'm just worried about them chips. I'm a shy call, little nigga, I'm